All right, this is day 12 of solving math problems until a whole life member notices me. So, pretty much here we have x to the 4 plus 1 over x to the 4 is equal to 727. And we are asked to find x plus 1 over x. So what we can do here, right, is pretty much replace x plus 1 over x with a. So we could say that that is a, right? So let me just go ahead and make that disappear. And then we will set that equal to a. And we are going to square this expression right here. So we have x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared. And that is equal to a squared. And pretty much here we have x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to a squared minus 2, right? And pretty much what we can do is understand that if we pretty much try to square this, we will have to solve a higher degree polynomial, which we will avoid. And pretty much here what we know at least is the fact that we have x to the 4 plus 1 over x to the 4. And by that definition, right, what we can do is we have x to the 4 plus x to the negative 4, right, is equal to 727. And pretty much here now that we have x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to a squared minus 2, for x to the 4 plus 1 over x to the 4 is equal to 727. What we can do is pretty much make the left-hand side a perfect square. And to do that, we're going to simply add 2 to both sides, which will give us x to the 4 plus 2 plus 1 over x to the 4, and that is equal to 729. And if we pretty much have this become a perfect square, we have x squared plus 1 over x squared, all squared, is equal to 729. And we know that x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to a squared minus 2. So, woohoo! We found a very good shortcut. So this will pretty much be a squared minus 2, and that is equal to plus or minus the square root of 729, which, as you can guess, is 27. And what we're going to do now is simply just solve for a, and we have that a is equal to either, if we look at 27 plus 2, that is 29, so we have a square root of 29, okay, which is plus or minus because we're both counting the positive and negative solutions, and plus or minus, and here we're going to have negative 27 plus 2, which is equal to negative 25, which will have I5 or 5i. So since we are looking at pretty much values that are positive, it will say that a is equal to the square root of 29. So pretty much that is the gist of this problem. And yeah, hopefully this was pretty much a quick shortcut. And if there's pretty much any other method, then go ahead and just tell me in the comments. So yeah, thank you for watching and bye-bye.